Introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will explore understanding financial statements in SAP FI Financial Accounting. Financial statements are crucial for any organization as they provide insights into financial performance and position. We'll break down the types of financial statements generated in SAP FI and how to interpret them effectively. What is SAP FI? SAP FI is a vital module within the SAP ERP system that manages financial transactions and reporting. It integrates seamlessly with other SAP modules, allowing for comprehensive financial data management across various business operations. The main components of SAP FI include General Ledger, GL, Accounts Receivable, AR, Accounts Payable, AP, Asset Accounting, AR. These components work together to ensure accurate financial reporting and compliance with legal requirements. Types of financial statements in SAP FI. SAP FI enables organizations to generate several key financial statements. 1. Balance sheet. This statement provides a snapshot of an organization's assets, liabilities, and equity at a specific point in time. It helps assess the financial position of the company. 2. Profit and loss statement, P&L, also known as the income statement. It summarizes revenues, costs, and expenses over a period. This statement is crucial for understanding profitability. 3. Cash flow statement. This statement shows the inflow and outflow of cash within an organization, highlighting how cash is generated and used during a specific period. Generating financial statements in SAP FI. To create financial statements in SAP FI, follow these steps. 1. Access the financial statement version. Use transaction code SPRO to access the implementation guide. Navigate to Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting, Business Transactions, Closing, Document, Define financial statement versions. 2. Create financial statement versions. Click on New Entries to define a new version. Enter details such as the version number and description to categorize accounts appropriately. 3. Run reports. Go to the SAP Easy Access screen. Select Accounting, Financial Accounting, General Ledger Accounting Information System to run balance reports and generate financial statements. Key considerations for financial statements. When interpreting financial statements generated from SAP FI, consider the following. Compliance. Ensure that your financial statements adhere to local regulations and international accounting standards. Real-time data. SAP FI allows for real-time updates, which means your reports reflect the most current financial status of your organization. Integration with other modules. Understand how data from other modules like sales, SD, and materials management, MM, impacts your financial reports. Conclusion. Understanding financial statements in SAP FI is essential for effective financial management within any organization. By leveraging the capabilities of SAP FI, businesses can gain valuable insights into their financial health and make informed decisions. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into SAP modules. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next.